Former President Donald Trump has been indicted for a fourth time. The Fulton County District Attorney says Trump, along with 18 co-defendants, tried to illegally overturn the 2020 election results in Georgia. ABC's Rena Roy brings us up to speed from Atlanta.
The latest round of criminal charges against former President Trump announced in Georgia Monday night after a grand jury voted to indict.
The grand jury believes they were part of the illegal effort to overturn the results of Georgia's 2020 presidential election.
The sweeping indictment charging Trump and 18 others with racketeering, calling them a criminal organization that knowingly and willfully joined a conspiracy to unlawfully change the outcome of the election in favor of Trump. Trump is charged with 13 counts. In addition to racketeering, he's accused of soliciting a public officer to violate his oath, conspiring to commit forgery, and conspiring to file false documents. Trump denouncing the indictment, announcing he will release a, quote, irrefutable report at a news conference next Monday that he says will be a complete exoneration of him and his co-defendants. Still, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis plowing forward, saying the defendants have 10 days to turn themselves in. The probe sparked in part by phone calls Trump made to election officials, including this one to Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger.
So, look, all I want to do is this. I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have, because we won the state.
Raffensperger reacting to the indictment, saying the most basic principles of a strong democracy are accountability and respect for the Constitution and rule of law. You either have it or you don't. Among those charged, Trump's former chief of staff, Mark Meadows, who has filed to move the case to federal court, and lawyer Rudy Giuliani speaking with WABC Radio.
I'm indicted for being his lawyer. I never thought I'd ever get indicted for being a lawyer.
Willis is aiming to begin a trial in 6 months, hoping to try all 19 defendants together. Rena Roy, ABC News, Atlanta.
Again, this isn't the only legal battle Trump is facing tonight. His first indictment came back in March when he was criminally charged in New York on 34 counts of falsifying records and bribery for allegedly giving adult film star Stormy Daniels hush money. In June, a grand jury indicted Trump in Miami on 37 felony counts. In that case, he's accused of intentionally taking classified documents from the White House to his Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida. And less than 2 weeks ago, a grand jury in D.C. indicted him for his alleged role in the January 6th attack on the Capitol. Trump has pleaded not guilty to all charges.